Hi students, welcome to NIRS Education. So in the previous session already we have seen the one of the agricultural practices, that is adding manure and fertilizers to the soil. So now let's see what is the difference between the fertilizer and manure. So as we already know that there are a lot of differences present between these two things. So fertilizers are totally different from the manure. So how they are different and what is the exact difference between these two, let's see one by one. So as we already discussed before, fertilizer is an inorganic salt. Fertilizer is an inorganic salt, whereas the manure is a organic substance, so that is produced by the decomposition of the cattle dung, human waste and the plant residues. So the fertilizers are man-made things. The fertilizers are the man-made things and manure is the natural substance. So fertilizers are prepared in the factories. Fertilizers are prepared in the factories, whereas the manure can be prepared in the fields. Manure can be prepared in the fields. So fertilizer does not provide any humus to the soil. Fertilizers does not provide any humus to the soil, but manure provides a lot of humus to the soil. Manure provides a lot of humus to the soil. Fertilizers are rich in plant nutrients like the nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. So manures are relatively less rich in plant nutrients. Fertilizers are very rich in the plant nutrients like the nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium, that is NP and K, NPK. Whereas the manure is relatively or comparatively with fertilizers, they are less rich in the plant nutrients. Because here fertilizers are man-made and intentionally we are going to prepare the fertilizers, they should be rich in the particular nutrients. But the manures contain all the kinds of the nutrients. Fertilizers are rich in only particular nutrients and manures are rich in all the nutrients. So fertilizers can change the quality of the soil into the poor condition, but the manures can change the quality of the soil into the rich condition. So along with the four differences that you are looking in your screen, along with you have to write down all these differences, that the fertilizers can decrease the quality of the soil, but the manure is going to increase the quality of the soil. So the fertilizers are rich in only particular nutrients. Fertilizers are rich in only particular nutrients, but the manures are rich in all the nutrients. So it contains all the nutrients, but the fertilizers have only particular nutrients. So the fertilizers can change the pH of the soil. The fertilizers change the pH of the soil, but here the manures are going to maintain the proper pH of the soil, that will be very friendly and it will be in the fear of the plants as well as in the fear of the soil. So that will be the advantage of the manure. So here we have seen many differences, that manure is inorganic substance, this is the organic substance. This is prepared in factories, manure is prepared in the fields. Fertilizer does not provide the humus to the soil, manure provides the lot of humus to the soil. Fertilizers are rich in NPK, manure is relatively less rich in the plant nutrients. Fertilizers change the pH value of the soils, but the manures maintain a good pH value of the soil. So the manures, the fertilizers are rich in only particular nutrients, but the manures are rich in all the nutrients. So this is going to make pollute the soil. Fertilizers make pollute to the they will make the pollute the soil, but the manures increase the fertility of the soil. So by adding more and more fertilizers to the soil, they will become poisonous, they will lose their fertility. Whereas when we are going to add the manure to the soil, so it will increases the fertility of the soil. So that is the quality, that is the difference between the manure and fertilizers. So compared to this, we can say that the fertilizers are harmful to the nature, whereas the manures are friendly and they are good for the nature. So let's see what are the advantages of the manure. So here we can see that the organic manure is considered better than the fertilizers because it enhances the water holding capacity of the soil. It makes the soil porous due to which exchange of gases becomes very easy, and it increases the number of friendly microbes in the soil. It improves the texture of the soil. Due to the humus, many microorganisms as well as the earthworms will increase their number. It will be very friendly to their growth. And the fertilizers compared to this one, they are poisonous. They will kill and they will stop the activity of the friendly microorganisms. So by this we can say that the fertilizers are bad to the environment, whereas the manure is the very good and best material to get a fertile soil to the field. So this is about the differences and differences between the fertilizers and manure, as well as the advantages of the manure. If you have any doubts or if you have any other points regarding the advantages, list out them, and if you have any doubts, send me the questions to my WhatsApp number. Thank you and have a nice day.